it's Jamie from Lead Pro Systems, and today I'm going to walk you through the invoicing option. So first you want to navigate to your Payments tab. At the top level, you'll see Invoices and Estimates. There's an option to create a recurring invoice, a template, and an estimate. So we're going to click All Invoices, and that'll show this dashboard here. I don't have anything yet. This is a demo account. So I'm going to click a new invoice. And it'll set up this template for me. So I've got invoice up here. This is my billing information. I'm going to select a client to bill to. And then I'll add some products. I don't have any yet, so I'm going to create one. This will be my standard plan. It's a digital good. I have the option to create physical goods or service. Today we're looking at digital. So you can call this whatever you want. I'm going to say standard plan. It'll cost $1. You can choose your tax category. And you can save the product for later use. You can also set this up in the Products tab if you want to do it beforehand. So I'll save that. You can add more if you'd like. You can add a discount. You can do a percentage or a custom amount. You can also add the tax automatically. You have to set up your client country, state, and postal code information if you want to do that. And you can also create a note. If everything looks good, I'll hit save. Oh, I forgot to create a name for it, so I'm going to say Jamie's invoice. Save it again. And here, I can copy this if I want to make another one for a different client that's the same thing. Or you can preview it. I haven't set up my payments yet, but if I did, this is what it would look like, and I would have a little green button here. So save, and we'll hit send. So it'll give me the option to call it whatever I want again. I can send it to the client's email and text, or one or the other. So default, and my other options, I can send a test invoice if I want to preview it before I actually send it to a client. Let's do that. So now myself as the client has this invoice. And when I open my email, I'll have the option to click this button and pay my $1. And if they didn't get it or want to spam, you can click resend. You can copy the link and email them the link directly as well. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.